Hello everyone, I am Ashnish Kumar Sharma, an alumni of Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Chanderi. At present, I am working at ZS Associates as Business Technology Analyst. I am proud to state that studying at CGC has been a life-changing experience for me. Starting from the academic part, which was imparted to us in an elaborate and simplified manner, to exhaustive industrial exposure and practical experience, which enabled us to use what we learned in our classrooms. Moving ahead, we were groomed and trained on how to present ourselves in front of our prospective employers and clear the interviews during college campus placements with awesome results. That's the only reason for the phenomenal placement record of CGC, with the majority of CGCians having multiple job offers even before they pass out their college. Now, apart from academics, CGC has inculcated good moral values in us. With the help of our college's strong, powerful NCC and NSS units, such drives and events are organized on a regular basis, such as visiting old age home, carrying out drug de-addiction campaigns in local villages around, celebrating festivals like Diwali in paraplegic centers, orphanages, cleanliness drives, and tree plantation drives, and many more. In the latest, CGC has distributed various essential items to the daily wage workers who were affected by COVID-19 lockdown. Plus, CGC has implemented various precautionary measures for the safety of students and working staff, like hand sanitizing bays have been installed throughout the campus. There are on-campus medical facilities with doctors on duty around the clock, etc. Now, if you are really serious about developing your career in right manner with all-round personality grooming, then CGC Jhanjeri is the right college for you. Once you are the part of this CGC family, you will not have to worry about getting job after completing your studies, provided you be a good student. Speaking of restrictive movement, due to coronavirus lockdown, a number of students have been affected and are concerned as to how they will take admissions in the colleges. CGC has come out with a simple solution wherein you can take admission from the comfort of your home using the internet. You just need to go to the college's website, that is www.cgc.ac.in, and click on the round yellow icon on the right hand side of the webpage named CGC Jhanjeri Expressway, and you will be directed to an online admission portal. You just have to fill in your details and deposit a nominal booking amount. It is as simple as that. If you need any further information, just call at the toll-free number displayed on the screen. So stay home, stay safe, all the best for your future. Jai Hind.